Hello, my name is Bruna Gentil, and today I will be our representative and I will present to you my code in our project, which was a Python game to teach young women and queer people about women history and the beginning levels of coding. So as we get to our code, um, sorry about that. So we have a server folder and our client folder. So as we run our server folder, we are starting the back end of our development, and you can see the name of the game, which is called She Codes. And this is going to connect to our database. And as we run our client folder, it will start our front end where we can copy the link and go to our game. So, as a new player, you will start at the beginning page and you can either continue your journey or start your journey. Or you can see the credits and meet all of our developers and what each role of us we had. So, for this demonstration, I will start with a new journey and I will name this player love code. And as I create a new player, a the database will save the username, the password, and the progress of this player. So, sorry, my Chrome extension says that it's a weak background password. So, the scenario is you're at a school forbidden lower levels, and you don't know where you are exactly. There's boxes, and you see this one box where there's a sheet, and you're gonna pull the sheet. And there's this weird machine glowing, and you don't know what it is. And boom, what is happening? So, this is a time machine, and the time machine pulls you in, and the timeline it is broken, and you are gonna have to assist in fixing the timeline. So, let's get started. As you go back in time and you start to try and fix the timeline, you are going to meet some wonderful historical people to teach you and guide you through what year you're in and what the issue is. So, as you go along, these are easy to understand concepts and ideas, and it gives you a nice little history of great impacts that have happened in women or accomplishments that women have done. So, we start off with a simple print statement, easy to understand, drag and drop system where you get to understand that you have the print, quotations, your text, and you run your code. Lights come up. Again, this is very aimed towards young people, mostly around middle school age to even maybe some high schoolers. Anyone can play this, but the bright lights, the drag and drop, these are all concepts aimed towards a younger audience. And we get to run our code, and I made a mistake. Now, this is not case sensitive, just people have different preferences. But perfect, it worked. So, something that you will notice is the characters are very kid friendly, very light, and then we have a time machine repair. And as we go on and pass the levels, oh look, what's this doing here? An actual moth and a bug, and you're understanding what a bug is and how it can affect your system and break your code. And as you move, you see that something out, another box glued. So this is as you repair your time machine, you can actually go back and redo the level or review it. And for this purpose, I'm actually going to sign out and I'm going to put continue journey and I'm going to use our test player who actually has played the whole game. So I can, oh, sorry. So I can jump around and show you. We were on three. Uh, I'll skip this one for now. And you will learn, and oh my God, you print, bug, if-then statements. As you go on, the timeline goes, and as the levels keep going, some of the skills start getting a little bit more difficult. And we can test our loop. You're learning what a loop is. Nice visual to understand. Plus one, it goes one by one. So very bright. And I'll do one more before I skip to. So again, if you make a mistake, easy to understand, not that bad. Like, take your time, go around. You can easily just go back and forth on if you don't know the answer. And make sure you read the instructions because you can repeat. So again, this is a higher level, so you're using skills that you already learned more altogether as you go on. The level starts getting a little more difficult, a little more putting things together. And I do want to show you this one where we're getting a little bit more modern. And eventually, the idea is that you will get to this. Oh, sorry. You will get to this spot where you feel more confident and you're ready to try it out. And you learn the main concepts, and now you can code a little bit yourself. So, you can go around, you can play with it, you can write your print statement, you can say hello, you can do whatever you want. Later on, you can run your code, you can do your loops, your for, and everything you want, your if and then. Your if and then. And then even if you learn more skills by YouTube or Google or whatever you want, you can come back and still code on here and run your code and press done. And as soon as you're done, you did amazing, and then you can complete your journey. But I do not want to show you how the game ends because I really hope you like this demo, and I hope to see you in person at our live demonstration. And thank you.